Kirisun Communication Solutions are built to support the daily needs and emergency demands of the power industry. We deliver reliable, wireless private network systems that keep transmission, substations, and distribution fully connected. In routine operations, our system transmits real-time data to monitor and control power flow at every stage. This keeps the grid running smoothly and helps ensure an uninterrupted power supply. When disaster strikes, such as a network failure or line break, our system helps teams respond fast. It quickly sets up emergency communication links, allowing crews to coordinate, share voice and video, and restore power efficiently. This section primarily introduces the application of EPDT technology in various power industry scenarios. During peak electricity demand, the power system comes under intense pressure. In these moments, traditional methods often can't keep up. They struggle to adjust loads precisely, making maintaining a stable, balanced supply across the grid challenging. EPDT technology uses high-speed data transmission and intelligent analysis to monitor the load on electrical devices in real time. From massive industrial motors to commercial and industrial appliances like charging stations and air conditioners, the system keeps track of power usage with precision, helping the grid stay balanced and efficient. When an area becomes overloaded, the system responds right away. Smart terminals receive control instructions, making real-time adjustments to balance the load and prevent outages. This helps ensure a steady power supply for both businesses and industry, while reducing the need for manual inspections and cutting down on maintenance costs. Urban power grids are dense and complex. With so many overhead lines and junction boxes, faults can happen often and without warning. Keeping the network stable means detecting issues quickly and responding without delay. EPDT supports a powerful communication network for power distribution. When a short circuit or fault occurs, intelligent sensors near the affected area send alerts instantly. That information goes straight to the control center, so teams can react fast and minimize disruption. With bidirectional communication, the control center can act immediately. It sends remote commands to isolate the fault, reroute power, and restore service to unaffected areas. This is far faster than traditional methods and helps reduce outage time while keeping the grid reliable. As energy systems evolve, renewable power sources bring new challenges. Solar and wind power are clean, but they're also unpredictable and harder to control. This is especially true in remote areas without public network coverage, and laying fiber across the terrain is impractical. EPDT creates a reliable communication link between solar farms, wind farms, and the main grid. It sends real-time data like voltage and power output to the dispatch center, helping operators prepare for changes in supply and keep the grid running smoothly. EPDT also receives commands from the grid, allowing it to adjust the output of renewable energy sources in real time. This helps maintain power quality and grid stability more efficiently than older, low-frequency communication systems. When disaster strikes, every second counts. Earthquakes, floods, and other emergencies can damage power lines and knock out traditional communication. In these moments, utility teams need a fast and reliable way to stay connected and coordinate a response. The Power Emergency Voice Communication System gives crews a way to reconnect fast. Rescue teams carry mobile terminals that instantly link to the network. They can share voice updates, send their location, and stay in sync with the control center while working in the field. The command center can immediately issue instructions, keeping everyone aligned and on task. This system overcomes the slow connections and limited coverage of traditional emergency tools, making repairs faster and more efficient. Many substations and distribution rooms are located in hard-to-reach areas. In these places, operations and maintenance still rely on scheduled manual inspections. EPDT changes that by enabling smart monitoring devices to send equipment status and performance data directly to the O&M center. This gives teams a real-time view of what's happening in the field, without needing to be on site. When something goes wrong, the system sends an alert immediately. Maintenance teams can run remote diagnostics on the spot without waiting for a technician to inspect the equipment in person. This helps catch problems early, reduce response time, and reduce operating costs. We help you solve communication challenges in real-world conditions: production, inspections, construction, security, or emergency response. Our solutions protect your operations and support fast, effective coordination when it matters most. We help you overcome communication challenges in complex scenarios such as production, inspection, engineering, security, and emergency response, ensuring the safety of your operations and supporting effective incident management. At Kirisun, we're committed to making the power industry safer, smarter, and more efficient through advanced communication technology.